Look at that, folks. It's a 2016 Acura MDX, and it's an advanced technology package. It's the top of the line. It's got every single option they give this car in 2016. I've driven it over 300 miles, and I'm going to tell you, it's perfect throughout, inside, top, bottom, all around. Brand spanking new tires, fully serviced, safety inspected, road tested, and every button in the book is in this one, folks. Check it out. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect right here, and we're going to start the down payment on this lady at $12.95. Does have the widescreen DVD, 20-inch polished wheels, factory trailer, tow pack, navigation, blind spot monitor, lane descent, laser guided cruise, LEDs, panel roof, tow pack. It's the one you want, folks, and it's at DasCleveland.com. Do not hesitate.